Hi guys. So before us we have to solve this sum. Okay. So what technique do you think we should be adopting to be able to crack this? Okay. So guys, be with me. Okay. And help me sort this out. Okay. So I'm writing the question over here and just help me with the working. Alright. So what do you think should be our first step? Any idea? How do we go about it? I think you're right. We need to square this up to begin with. Alright? So, or else we do not have any choice right now. Okay? So, square this up, we need to use the identity a minus b whole square. Correct? So, we have this as a, so a square plus 1 upon root x b square minus 2 dot root x and 1 upon root x as our a and b, 2ab. The obvious thing we have to do after this is to simplify this, isn't it? So let me do that. So 1 upon x and minus 2, because these two gets cancelled. Now there is a stopover over here. What do we do next? Any idea? Okay, I think you people have already come to know. So we have to substitute the value of x, in this. So let's go for it. So here we got it, and plus for this 1 upon 9 plus 4 root 5, and minus 2 is trailing. Correct? This one is coming as it is. Alright guys. Now what do we do next? Can you think of? We need to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so we need to get rid of the surd below. So we must add a conjugate of this to multiply with. Correct? So do you think that's it? Not likely. Okay, so what we give to the denominator, we must add it to multiply on the top. Correct? Minus 2 again comes down. Now what? This is to be written the way it is. This also will be copied. Okay, this one needs to be simplified, and this reminds us of which identity, guys? Any idea? Can you all help me? Well, you can't help me from there, so let me just help myself. So 9 plus 4 root 5 and 9 minus 4 root 5 reminds me of the identity a minus b and a plus b and a minus b. Alright guys, which is equal to what? A square minus b square, isn't it? So my a is 9, so a square minus b square, 4 root 5 whole square. Got it? So next move of ours would be to try and resolve this. How? 9 into 9 is 81, and 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 5 is 80, and minus 2. Alright, so we have 9 plus 4 root 5 and here 1, so we can always ignore that. Okay, so 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 2. Correct, guys? This gets cancelled. We are left with 9 plus 9 minus 2, which is 16. Correct? Now it's time that we bring that down. Okay, root x minus 1 upon root x, therefore should be equal to, okay, square root of 16, which is equal to plus and minus 4. Have you understood why plus and minus 4? Because 16 can be equal to minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, as well as 16 can be equal to 4 into plus 4, which is why we have two options. Got it? Think about it, guys. So here we have, this is our answer. So that wasn't as difficult as it seemed to be at the starting. Okay, guys. So in my next video, I'm going to bring more such sums, okay, for you to solve. And thank you for watching, and that's all I can say. Just that, a request from my end, if you can subscribe, it'll be very, very thankful, okay, from my part to you. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.